Well, hi there, pluckers. I've Sore Fingers again with you. Thanks indeed for joining me for another guitar lesson. This is more of a help lesson for one of my viewers who's written in asking for some help with a song from Bob Seger called Fire Inside. Okay, so standard tuning, capo on the first fret. Okay, puts it in the same key as Bob Seger's recording of this song. So I'm not going to play the whole song for you because it's fairly long and it's quite repetitive as far as guitar playing is concerned, so I'm just going to show you the various bits and then hopefully you can put it together and play the whole song. Okay, so it's basically the intro and the verse is basically just two chords. It's a G and a C major 7th. That's what my ears tell me, and basically it's a C chord without the first finger becomes a C major 7th, okay? Just those two fingers left there, and I'm playing from 5 down to 1, okay? Yeah, so the introduction, basically you strum the G, okay, and that, and then do it again, that sort of thing, okay? And what I'm playing there is this little lick. I think it's played on a piano, I think, if I remember rightly. It's very simple, but it's quite quick, and it's like an open 3rd string, 2nd fret 3rd string, open 2nd string, back to the 2nd on the 3rd, so open 3rd, 2nd on the 3rd, open 2nd, and then play the C major 7th, so it's strum the G, that sort of thing, okay? So again, I'll slow it slowly for you. Open 3rd, 2nd on the 3rd, open 2nd string, 2nd on the 3rd, open 3rd, 2nd on the 3rd, open 2nd string, and then 2 strums on the C major 7th, okay? So it's and then it goes into the song itself, the verse, and it's basically just the G and the C major 7th. A slight difference. During the verse, the bass player, just before you go from the C major 7th back to the G, I hear a D note being played. I don't think the guitarist is playing a D chord. He's staying on the C major 7th sort of thing. It's only very, very quick, just before you hit the G. So what I've done to try and replicate that is the G, this is during the verse, okay? Do you hear that? So it's... So what I'm doing there, C major 7th, and just before you go back to the G, take this 2nd finger off the G, the D string, so it's open, and pick the D string with your pick, slight strum, very light strum on the middle strings, and back to the G, and then you've got that, what the bass player is playing covered, okay? So I'll just do it very slowly for you. That it's quite nice, but I think that's the way to do it, because I tried playing the D chord, it doesn't sound right. I don't think there's a chord change, but there is a note change. So that's it. So introduction, strum the G, and then do it again, and then off to the verse. Sort of thing, okay? And that's the only other thing in the song really is the sort of a chorusy bridge section, because it's quite a long verse. There's quite a lot in it. It goes backwards and forwards, G to C major 7th, and then it goes into the D, and then the E minor, D again, and then to a C chord. G, D, and then it's back to the intro again basically, and then another verse sort of thing, yeah? As far as I can see, that's all that's in it. So let's just go through this middle bit again. So at the end of the verse, that goes into a D, E minor, D, C, G, D, I mean, if you're playing it at the speed they play it on the record, you really need another guitarist. It's very, very quick, that, because that's also played during the verse as well, which is a bit tricky when you're singing and trying to play the chords at the same time. That bit. But that's just thought I'd show you all the bits, and that's what's in it, okay? And as far as I can tell, that's all in it. So I'll just go through a quick intro. Get the idea? So I can't really tell you any more about that. As far as I can tell, that's all that's in the song, okay, as far as the chords are concerned. So thanks very much for listening, and I'll see you in the next video.